Drones are truly transforming our lives, and the ways they help us are growing every day. We see them used in all kinds of situations: photography, transportation, crop spraying, and more. Today, let's talk about how drones are being used for transportation. In the past, moving goods in mountainous areas was difficult. The roads were rough, the cargo was heavy, and the whole process was time-consuming, labor-intensive, and even dangerous. But now, drones can take on these tasks, like transporting materials or even helping with reforestation. In remote mountain areas, it's really hard to carry tree saplings up by hand, but drones can easily deliver them from the air, dropping them precisely where they're needed. It's not just tree saplings. Things like water pipes, documents, and even electrical cables can be transported by drones. For example, installing a water tank on a rooftop used to require a crane. Without one, it was almost impossible. But now, with a drone, the job becomes quick and easy. Take this example. A drone can carry 5 tree saplings at once, lifting them into the air and dropping them exactly where they need to go. This not only saves labor and time, it makes work easier and more efficient. As a result, everyone's quality of life improves. Using drones for tree planting doesn't just make things more convenient. It also helps improve our environment, reforesting the land and enhancing the quality of life for future generations. No more worrying about rough terrain. Even if there's a mountain, river, or steep slope ahead, drones can fly over it and get the job done with ease. In China, drones play an increasingly important role in environmental projects. They've significantly increased the speed and efficiency of tree planting. Some places even use fleets of drones working year-round to transport saplings, turning barren deserts into green forests. Drones have truly become an essential part of this transformation.